Fuck it up like a we want the factory. Not a party, a shot on my fucking blood.
The party hype, the party mother big up to Marlon and G Money in the place. I would have fun tonight with a celebrate Richie feelings there, I would do a good thing.
Party shot! Big up my blood clot cousin Nadine's birthday. Big her up, trendsetter crew for life. At that we say, no blood clot, girl, no more than way. We look good. Party shot! Party shot! Nadine's big up yourself. Bam, 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 bam. Rock, rock. We look good.
The party art, trendsetter, Ladish, happy birthday, my girl.
Big up the blood clot promoter.
Trendsetter, how we celebrate?
Yo, 2012, the party nice, Richie feelings, party at the year, you know, definitely a contender, you know what I say, rude boy, you know, Joe, and I say, Joe am I, yo, the party nice, watch it, watch how we do it, watch how we do it, watch it. Yo, that's how we do it in Chicago.
Hey, big up me every time, I want you, it's on straight down, I miss the blood clot hotter than all day, every day, in the building, everybody is up. And it blood class stay up because red bottom is all day, every day, yeah. See?
Yo, you don't know enough. It's all about March 3rd, presidential ball. See it? And this is Black and Hype representative for Hype Squad and representative for the ladies. More I say big up my brother them. Stitchy Hype, see it? Prince Hype, Luke Hype, GQ, see it? Nandi, Trevor, big up on yourself because I'm not there. Straight. And the presidential ball we are talking about. Big up Hype Squad, presidential bar March 3rd.
About you having a great time here. Having a fucking blast. All right, man. It's all right. I'll live,
Party sell off, and me shell off. Me and my friend shell off. Straight. I want to honor. We life solid as a rock. Me and my friend solid as a rock. And Christ, the solid rock we stand. Straight. Them girl I want to them. We're blessed. And when we come out clean. Big up my husband straight. 20 odd years straight. Big him up all the time. I want him to know. Anyway, every time. Big up my friend Tina Atadan. Big up me. Big up Father God straight. And we say blessed. And we say look good. And we say fashionista. All the time. Straight up.
Yeah, you don't know prime time I endorse the thing. That's what I say. Every time we step out, you see it? We clean and take them out the thing. You understand? I want to change for the thing, go to shows, go to belt. You understand? I'm a thing shot. You understand? So big up TRC, big up Gr8, big up you know what I say. Yeah, a prime time endorse. See? Great.
You know why? You know your boy the Angelo King. I want me. Hold on. Bomba clan. Yeah, Richie feelings. My nigga from way back when. The party shock. Do it. #1 Chicago blood clot video man. No pussy can go nothing. The Angelo King said for years. Don't forget March 3rd, presidential ball. Bomba blood clot. Do it. Real blood clot nigga. The Angelo King said straight. Rah, rah, rah.
Just have baby 3 months and look good, no blood clot, no good. Just have baby and look good, no good.
You don't know say a TRC thing, one love, the party are going nice. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Zimmy Day. Are you on the picture, man? Everybody because family, the whole family there. One love. VIP's in the building. It's good, sir. All right? Yo, Marlon and God, big up on yourself. The party shot. I mean, say when I say my name and it can't change. I mean, I say Pandy and Blacks, yeah. I say Fear. I mean, I say all of the good look girls them when I party will look good. On the sell off. Me not even said none more. That's up, my friend.
All right. It's our big ups. Marlon, Richie feelings. You see me with their party I keep.
Tell me about the party, Candice. Tell me about the party. Party sell off. You hear what we have to say? Party shot. Like a M16. All right? All right. You don't have to say nothing more. You already don't say I know already. Look around and say for yourself. Party shot.
The party is the blast. I'm having a wonderful time.
Big up. Big up the party sell off. Trust me. Valentine's Day.
Hold on, big up Nice Girls versus Naughty. The thing sell off, trust me. Mad thing, trust me, the party.
Yo, and the big bad vibes to this, see? And may I tell you, the party shot. Party shot, yo. Me I have to tell you, I'll be a girl in the party, see? Big up to my virgin. I'm an article this. I'm a party this. Yo, see? Big up to my world boss.
Party shot. And the world boss this, Chris, you see me?
Yeah, man, I say. The man them party shot. You understand? Richie Feelings, turn up the thing. You understand? Jam Star. Big up my wife. You understand? I say Tina Beckford. You understand? Big up Father God. First of all, most of all, you understand? You don't know what Father God will say, you know. You understand? I'm blessed. Everybody will turn out and turn up the man them thing. The thing turn up. Alright? Bless.
The party nice, man. But just read still, but the vibes is right and Richie Feelings in there for true and then a fake thing, you see it? So, big up Marlon and the crew.
The party is going on. My voice is hoarse. My name is Dee Dee, and I'm having a really good time.
Hear me now? I want to big up the promoter them for the party. You know, the red and white affair, the Valentine Day or something. That party a shot. That party a turn up till it a burn up. Right now, police come early and lock it off, and God know the people have never gone nowhere. More people come from more people. The party turn up till it a burn up. Me have to talk about it. That party a hot. Big up Phantom and the rest of selector them, because you don't know the thing. Turn up. Good.
So I'm going to say, a bravo my name, enough respect to the Jamaican community in Chicago. We love on us. See what I say? So you see when the Jamaican events them are keep, we want the Jamaican people them to turn out and support we and know say one love. We love the youths and youth them in Jamaica. One love and in Chicago. Blessed.
Big up yourself, video man. I say, I that party I shot for the year. That party I shot for the year. Naughty girl versus naughty girl. My mama tell her. That party I got mad. If you want to say nice girl, you want to say naughty girl, I say I become. Any girl you want to say, I say take her there. My mama tell her that.